Guys, today we're going to talk about 5 products that will make your E36 look a hell of a lot newer than what it does right now. Number 1 being wheel center caps. They're 68 millimeters. They're available on Amazon for $17.99. If you have Prime, there's free shipping. If you buy these new through the dealer, OEM, it's going to be $25 each, so $100 for 4. This price is a hell of a lot better. I have a comparison of the stock center caps from $19.99. I originally had those in the car. One fell off, so I had to buy a brand new one from the dealer. I spent $25. And like a year and a half later, I've now bought the Amazon pair, and they honestly, there's not a huge difference, especially when they're installed on the car. They look exactly like the $100 set. I recommend that to make your wheels look a lot newer. Product number 2. Number 2 is going to be your valve stem caps. If you're like me, I didn't even have valve stem caps until I bought these from Amazon. They're $10, they say BMW on them, and they have a locking feature too. So if you have kids that run around your neighborhood, or you ever leave your car outside, the locking feature is super nice because you have to use a 1 or 2 millimeter Allen key, and it will actually, it locks them on. So it's in the side of the valve stem cap, and you screw it in and it locks onto the threads so nobody can take it off without using the Allen key. It's super nice, but it's not specific. It's not a specific key or anything. If you have both of these products and your wheels already have a nice finish, but you just either don't have those two or don't have one of those two, it'll improve the look of your wheels. If you have trash wheels, I don't know what to tell you. They're really not going to help you much. So product number 3 is from a company called Never Done Design House, and their website is donewhenimdead.com. The actual M badge, so it's an M3 emblem stripe replacement. It replaces the rear emblem, like the badge coloring on the M3 badge in the rear of the car. It costs $7.75. Shipping and handling is $1.75. So the total comes out to $9.50 for a brand new sticker. If you're going to buy this emblem through the dealer, it's going to cost $30 just for the M badge, not even for the 3. And if it's in perfect condition like mine was, like the chrome is not chipping or anything, then all you need is the new sticker. BMW won't sell the sticker, just the whole M3 badge, which is dumb as hell. What I used to install it, I just used a razor and alcohol to remove the old adhesive from the badge. Once I did that, I just used tweezers to kind of make sure that I was going to put the sticker on perfectly. $10, you can't go wrong. The next thing I'm going to say is this piece right here by M-Sport Parts, msportparts.com. It's for your gauge cluster. It replaces the M badge in there. Mine is 21 years old, it's fading. It makes the cluster look like crap. So if you replace this, everything's gonna look brand new. You really can't complain about it. Jordan Petrovich has a video of his replacement. It's a how-to video. Highly recommend watching it. I've seen it a couple times before I've decided that I'm gonna dive into this. I think that I can confidently do it now. Okay, so the 5th and final product that I'm going to recommend is called Solution Finish. I highly recommend this product because it's an actual dye, and it's not like most other back to black finishes that you can find out there. You apply it with a 2-inch foam brush, and you don't have to tape off your paint. If you get it on your paint while you're brushing onto your trim, then you can just wipe it off immediately with a rag. You're not going to wipe it off the black trim because the dye sticks to it, so there's nothing to worry about. It made it look brand new. I've used it on my kidney grills, the M Sport grill, or the mesh on the front bumper. I've used it on the body molding, I've used it on door handles, and I've used it on my M3 rear diffuser. The product works great. I've had it on for about a month, and the stuff's supposed to last years. Other trim restorers, if you use it, it lasts typically like a month, maybe even less than that. And it usually leaves your trim looking spotty, faded, or worse than it did when you first put it on. So I can't recommend this stuff enough. $15 from Amazon, can't beat it. And you only have to use a couple drops. So yeah, if you guys do that, let me know how it works for you. If you purchase these products through the link in the description, the ones through Amazon will help me out. The other ones won't, but they're good products regardless. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. Peace.